Hey guys, come on in. Don't act like you guys haven't been living here for the past 2 years.
Hey, thanks for having us over, man. Wow, this place still looks amazing.
Thank you so much. Come, have a seat. Do you guys need anything to drink?
Just a glass of cold water would be perfect, actually.
Yeah, thank God you have the air conditioning running. It's so hot outside.
Of course, thanks to the LG rental program's consistent maintenance, all the appliances we ran last time still works like new.
Yeah, it's like nothing has changed, no?
Trust me, things have changed.
Yeah, because you got married. We know, we were there.
Yeah, alright. But seriously, my life has never been the same since we discovered the LG ThinQ app.
Oh, come on, dude. Don't you think you're being overdramatic?
I wish I was. ThinQ changed a lot in this household, for better or for worse.
Wait, why is that?
Well, did you know, with the ThinQ app, you can easily check on the smart appliances from anywhere, track the status of your laundry cycle, remotely adjust the air conditioner's temperature, and even be updated on the status of all your appliances.
Wait, it can do all that? Then what's so bad about it?
My wife is the one holding the app.
Oh.
No. It's great, don't get me wrong. But because of the app, I have no escape. She can totally tell if I have cleaned the house by checking the app. I can't think of any excuse for not doing chores anymore.
That's right.
Tell me about it. Well, how about you guys? Still using the LG rent-out program? Or have you guys moved up the food chain in your mansion?
Haha, very funny. We are still using the LG Rent-Up program.
And thanks to you for mentioning the ThinQ app, now I can check if someone over here has actually done the housework while I was away.
Bro, what have you done?